What are coordinates of the center and the length of the radius of the circle represented by the equation? And we have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 18 equals 0. We need to find the center and the radius. So first let me remind you general form of circle. When we have center coordinates A and B, this is center of circle, and R is the radius. Then general form of circle is x minus a to second power plus y minus b to second power. This is equal r squared. So we have to change our equation to this form, and from this form we can read the center and the radius. So let me copy our equation of circle. We have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 18. This is equal to 0. So first I will group expressions with x and y. We have x squared minus 6x, and we have y squared plus 10y, and I will move 18, positive 18 to the other side. So this is equal negative 18. When we move to the other side, we have to change the sign. Positive, so now it's negative. And now, open parentheses, we copy x, and now we always take the half of coefficient before the x. It's negative 6, so half will be negative 3 to second power. And now when you raise x minus 3 to second power, what we will have? X squared minus 6x, and we have plus the square of 3, so it's 9. But we don't have here 9, so we have to subtract this 9. Plus, and the same we will do with the y expressions. So we open parentheses, y we copy, and now we take the half of coefficient before y. It's 10, so it will be 5 to second power. And again, 5 to second power is 25. We don't have here 25, so we have to subtract this 25. So this is equal, we have negative 18. Here I just use formulas for square of sum and difference. When we have c minus d to second power, this is equal to c squared minus 2cd plus d squared. For the first parenthesis, I just use this formula, and for the second, c plus d to second power, this is equal to c squared plus 2cd plus d squared. And now, what we have to do? We have to move the numbers to the other side. So we have x minus 3 to second power, we copy, plus y plus 5 to second power. This is equal negative 18, we copy, and negative 9 to the other side, so it will be plus 9. Negative 25 to the other side, so it will be positive 25. And what we have? X minus 3 to second power plus, and because in formula we have negative b, so we can write always that this is y minus negative 5. Negative and negative is positive. I didn't change anything, but now it will be very easy to read the center of circle. To second power, of course, this is equal, and we have negative 18, positive 9, so it will be negative 9 plus 25, so this is 16. So let me rewrite this one more time. We have x minus 3 to second power plus y minus negative 5 to second power. This is equal. We need r squared on the right side to have the radius, and 16 we can rewrite that this is 4 to second power, and from this form we can find the coordinates of center and the length of R. Center will be whatever we subtract from x is first coordinate. So this is 3, and whatever we subtract from y is the second coordinate. We have negative 5. This is center of circle, and r, the radius, is equal 4. So this is my solution.